Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve stumble guys stuck. To know how to fix or how to solve stumble guys stuck, you should just go to settings. Then in this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then in this list you will search about this window of stumble guys. Then in this list of app info you will enter the first stop and we click OK. Then we will enter the storage. Here we click clear cache, and in the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi. You will wait at 3 seconds and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching.